Welcome to Vridi Finance, and we are presenting our new video. Dear investors and viewers, right now as we see there are a number of queries come from the market to us that we should speak about few other shares which has stock listed a long back, and we have to give about those kind of analysis of any share. So here is one of the electrical vehicle share which we have no clarity in the past, because we have started the IPO listing only. But if you see, just 20 hours before we have predicted something about this stock, and trust us, today that stock has hit the market very well. So that's the reason we are going to make this video, which can at least means like somebody don't gives the credit to us, but yes, absolutely we should tell the people that hopefully our predicts may work or may not work. So this is not about the prediction actually. So suddenly in the last 2 weeks back we have find out there is an inquiry or requirements comes from one of the youth person, and that person really want the basically electric vehicle. So this video is also dedicated to that person, so he can watch the budgetary pricing for electronics vehicle. So we will upload in the description the web link, because whatever we have answered has violated few policies on that blog of electrical vehicle, where he can buy, which brand he can buy. But unfortunately that basically that website has deleted the answer which we have given to that person. And right now there is a Omicron has affected to the market, and that's the reason everybody want to buy budgetary vehicle for themselves if they wanted to travel a long distance at minimal cost. Because if you see the price of petrol has quite rises, means like if you spend lot of money on your vehicle, and if you spend lot of money on your fuel, then how much you will earn per day. So that's the reason we are helping. This is not affiliated marketing link yet. Right now we have not given any affiliated marketing links, but we are giving these links below. So any youth or any professional or any student can buy or take on a rent basis, and they can use it rather than sitting on the bicycle, which is probably uncomfortable. Means there are a number of times people say bicycle riding is very good for health, but in fact and reality is different. The person can't able to sit, and the person who travel for a long distance, that's really uncomfortable. It hits or it hurts your body part at the down. So we don't shy to talk about that, and that's the reason we are uploading this video. Anyways, now we will come towards the topic, and today we are presenting Greaves Cotton Limited. Dear viewers, Greaves Cotton Limited we are introducing because the just 20 hours, you can say now 24 hours, because it's yesterday we have only given the pricing probably in the midnight somewhere, and that has changed the scenario, that has changed the things. Today's stock exchange and Sensex, and yes, we are happy that unexpectedly something, our whatever we have predicted for years, that has becoming true. We never think about this company will do well today only. Yeah, but people ask many times single questions. There are many people ask this same question, and that's the reason we are making this video. So dear viewers, if you see Greaves Cotton Limited, This company has founded in 1859 by James Greaves and George Cotton. So that's the reason the both last name has combined and becomes the company Greaves Cotton. Since 1922, this company has turned as a private limited company. Later on, it has purchased by Lala Karamchand Thapar, that is Thapar Group of Company, in 1947, and it has turned in the year of 1950 as a public limited company. Okay, their products, they produce the diesel, petrol, kerosene, gasoline engine, diesel pumps, sets engine, and farm equipments. Where Greaves Cotton is completely owned the Coimbatore-based electric vehicle manufacturer Ampere Electric Vehicles, the acquisition market, the entry in the ever booming EV industries. So dear viewers, over here we are going to introduce their competitor too in our later video, so you can have a look around that. This company has founded in 1859, an engineering company. Dear viewers, as we says that yes, absolutely, the company has quite old one. So at any engineering company do performance below down the line 10 to 20 years, at least at the beginning of their journey of as an entrepreneur. So over here this is quite more than around we can say around 200 years, more than 150 years we can say over here. But yes, absolutely, if you see Mr. Nagesh Basanvalli is a group CEO and MD, where Mr. Ajit Venkatramani is executive director of the company. So right now we are not going to talk about their all products. We are going to talk about the chart analysis in this company. So their products are engine, electric vehicles, farm equipment, and spare parts and auxiliary powers. So this is all about the company, and absolutely we are going to help the people who has stuck into this financial crisis, because everybody doesn't have the money and all students have to travel or they have to manage their expenses. So that's the reason we are uploading this video. In the description you will find electrical vehicles prices and their owners name, not owners, their links where you can buy it, because we want to help the people. So today Vridi Finance presenting Greaves Cotton share analysis by Vridi Finance. And yes, absolutely, we will give first time the future target for share price for Greaves Cotton down the line 2 years. Hopefully it will achieve by Greaves Cotton, because the way it has hit the market today is really really help us to get our enthusiasm back to us. And that's the reason absolutely we will start the video on a crypto blush too, and probably today or tomorrow you will have many videos about the cryptocurrencies and crypto blush. Yes, and dear viewers, if you see electrical vehicles, or probably in the future you will find electrical vehicles may beat the competitions with the solar vehicle. But according to us, or it is our predictions we can say as of now, dear viewers, electrical vehicles is already competing with the fuel based, means normal petrol or diesel based products, base vehicles. So right now we are going to talk about not about solar products, we are concentrating on electrical vehicles in this video. So we are going to talk, and yes, absolutely, Dear viewers, the way we have launched Crypto Blush, we seen the market volatility or the news of cryptocurrency is daily hitting to the market. Since last, our first video has entered to the market. Since that day onwards, till now, till yesterday, we can say, we seen there is a lots of things happening about the crypto. Yes, it can happen in the last year 2021, but right now, as we have given in one of our video, that probably there is a budget will concentrate on cryptocurrency too, probably comes true. We are not telling you that it will come true, because right now the youth, the client base of cryptocurrency is quite bigger as of now. It's not as like the people who's targeting mutual funds. It's not the people who is interested in equity, but people are more interested into digital currencies and their volatility and their what cryptocurrency is making a cheapest availability, or you will get sometimes free cryptocurrencies also available. So guys, you can have a look around that. The day we have given Crypto Blush first video, there are number of cryptocurrencies which we have mentioned the name that we will upload the video. But as we seen the drastic change as a YouTuber, there is a lot of competition in cryptocurrencies. Means if we have not made yet any video, the first week of Jan is over, second week of has started, because we don't consider first date has falls on Saturday, so it can't be the week. From 2nd of the Jan till the 9th of the Jan, we have seen there is a lot of things happen about cryptocurrencies, and there is number of video has launched it. And yes, absolutely, we are also launching the crypto videos today in between 2 to 3 days, and you will watch it hopefully. So if you want to target cryptocurrencies, crypto market, you can log on our channel Crypto Blush. So you will have a look around that. Dear viewers, in this chart analysis of today, if you see, the Greaves Cotton Limited has touched 249 point, basically it shows 246.50 INR, but it has shows 52 weeks high 249.70. So dear viewers, if you see, basically if you know aware about this company, has got stock listed, but this chart is available since 2004. The way it has performed it is like we can say 5 years down the line. Means every 5 years they show one pick to another pick according to us. It's not like what it is a multi-bagger, because yes, absolutely, the company makes a growth, they will give a growth to their stakeholders. Basically, whoever buy the shares, they will give it to them good amount of returns. But from 2004 till 2022, how many people really hold this kind of shares? It's probably only the securities. No idea. Might be any retail investors, but retail investors really do. So here is a chart analysis, as we says, because if you see the 6th November of or if you see even the December, the chart of December, if you see this share has around on 20 December, it has touched on 132.45 INR. That is, we can say and the drastic changes happens from December 31st till today. December 31st, this chart has shows that 137.90 INR, means just 138 rupees. And from 31st to the within 11 days, who has booked this share on 31st December, even who has buy it, has maybe double, not double, they got 100 rupees extra as they earn it. Even today morning, if you see, this share has touched somewhere 210 and it gives returns on 249, around that. So dear viewers, in that case, cotton Greaves, people really like it, probably. But we will say, frankly speaking, over here, this business, see, automobile business is always, means right now we can see the people who do the business in the automobile is always in the profit, because the price of product is quite higher end. Okay, apart from that, they are into auto engine, power solution, agri solution, industrial solution, light constructions also. They are into retail, Greaves retail, auto, EV mart and aftermarket. There is the E2 wheeler, E3 wheeler and E-auto is available. Okay, so wherever the innovations comes, we can say it's all about innovation. Okay, wherever the innovations comes, you have to implement it to be survive with your product and with your capacity. According to us, it's not the brand, or it's not a benchmark which is set up by the any brand or any company. It is all about what we can say. And yes, absolutely, our predictions, we have given a cotton Greaves cotton on Monday itself. Today means that is yesterday only, and where we have predicted this share will show uptrend during 2022 and it will sustain it 2023 also, but this share will go maximum 300 INR by the December 2022, which is validated by Vridi Finance. But hopefully it will come so true as we written. And today we seen in this share there is a 50 rupees higher end, means like somebody is asking us that 2022 till 2025 what this share will perform into the market. Then we have discussed and we gives, because it's not one person, there are 3 to 4 persons asked this same question, what Greaves Cotton Limited will show the performance into the market. So that's the reason we have given. But right now we think that probably this share can show upper circuit till next whole year, means like 2023 even, and that's the reason probably it will break about 450 INR as of now we are telling you, means within next 1.5 year, suppose we can say March 2023, it will break the circuit, it will goes above 450. Right now we can predict that. Hopefully this analysis will comes true. Anyways, and if it is comes to true about Greaves Cotton Limited, we will launch our another video and you will watch it as like a clean science and technologies. Yes, absolutely. Dear viewers, if you see there are how many motor companies, automobile companies is available into the market. So if you're aware about the names, brands, the name is Maruti Suzuki, Tata Motors, Mahindra and Mahindra, then Bajaj Auto, Eicher Motor, Hero Motorcoms, Ashok Leyland, TVS Motors, Escorts, Tata Motors TVR, Electric Green Tech, Ward Visa, Reno, VST Tract, Force Motors, SML Isuzu, Atul Auto, Scooter India and Hindustan Motors. So if you see this Greaves cotton basically gives what making an engine, making an component. See, they are not customizing the complete thing. They are not they are engine supplier, as we can see, because they are giving engines. So this kind of companies is basically buying their engine and implementing it. Okay, their manufacturing plants is in Aurangabad, Pune, this kind of tier 2 cities, we can say. So that's the reason we can say, see, suppose there are number of vehicles has sold. Suppose any company has sold 1 lakh motors per year. There are 10 companies sold 10 lakhs motor, but where they have took engine. So you will analyze it what exactly they do. So anyways, right now this is into electronic vehicle. They are going to, there are number of vehicles has already comes as a hybrid. Some of them are purely into electronic base. So do you think that suppose this kind of sector has boom, then what? The demand from the battery, which provides the battery, that kind of company also will boom into the market, and they will compete it with these people also, because if you see these people, Greaves power, is there another solution also available. Anyways, we are not going to give you what exactly their client base. Right now we are going this much about, because this is a share analysis chart. After some times probably we will make a video about this company. Suppose this company has completed the target which we have given to them. So hopefully guys, you will like it our video and understand the case study of Greaves cotton. And you will know it what will happen in the nearest future. Hopefully this company will perform next 3 years, hopefully, according to us, from 2022 till 2026. Greaves cotton will perform into the market, and from 3 digit to 4 digit you will see, hopefully. We are not from the management, we are not doing their channel sales, so don't think too much. This will sustain in 3 digit. Don't think too much, don't thought it will turn 4 digit. If it turns 4 digit, trust us, we will write it again the video. Thank you by Vridi Finance. And dear viewers, anyways, we are going to talk about not only Greaves cotton, but probably few shares. So look, everything is not multi-bagger. Last year people has faced crisis, economic crisis issue, so it has all the ways, every shares has falls down. as comparing as only insurance sectors or FMCG sectors, they boom it, or even pharma sectors. But right now we can see the market has growing, and the Sensex is grow today apart from the Nifty too. So here what we can say, yes, absolutely, if every shares is not multi-bagger, there will be merger and acquisition will happen very soon. Suppose many companies has down the line, we can say down the line, has not meet the expected target, so we will say many companies will do, basically what they will do, basically they will do merger and acquisition. So suppose you see one share has got somewhere around 2 digit, and today that share has already in 3 digit or some. So it is not mandatory that share will turn 4 digit, 5 digit we can't say, but 4 digit it will turn. Don't expect too much, because every company, every business has up and down. Yes, absolutely, hardly 20% companies do 4 digit to 5 digit even. Hardly, we can say hardly 5 to 10% companies does. But reality and the fact are two different things. So before coming up to us that why this share has fallen down, please let me know. So because we are seeing there are number of people as writing about one of the share which has got listed last year, and literally the investors are upset that this share has going down because they want an investment. See, suppose you want any funding, what you will do? You will find an investors. Okay. So for that purpose, what you will do? You put any RPF in front of others, right? So right now the shares, few shares really performing negative side, not negative side, basically they are looking for an investment. If they will not give a cheap price, nobody will buy. Will you buy the shares which is last year show like one of the share is last year 2 digit, this year it is a 3 digit, and suppose that share goes 4 digit, will you buy that share? Suppose that will fall be without any consulting with your any financial advisor or your relationship manager who manage your portfolio, will you accept it? Will you buy it? No. So simply suppose any company show 4 digit share that is falling towards 3 digit share, 3 digit trend that is showing right now, then what there are number of investors will come and grab that share, because after some time it will goes up. As others say, probably it will take 2 to 3 years also. It depends on the company strategy. Only advertisement doesn't work. First of all, we will tell you, first of all, if any fast growing company or any company which is showing lot of advertisement, will you see that is overvaluation? No. Will you go what exactly they expect, what exactly they expecting from you is mandatory rather than you expecting from them. It's a reversible means like it's both way it's working. As an investor you want a new hike into your shares, but as a company management you want your profit, means that company want profit, and they want more investors. So next time asking a question which is already showing downtrend, please ensure that, because we got at least 25 questions a month that this share is not performing. We are not from management, dear investors and viewers. First of all, be clarity. Whatever we have given, that is based on either chart analysis, either the company strategy. It's nothing to do with the company management. It's nothing to do with any stock exchange. It is nothing to do extent any securities which we are hiring and telling you this will be the target. It's all about stat. It's all about stat. It can be failed too. Yeah, but our stat little bit good, so it comes true. We are not, we never talk with anybody. First of all, we are giving this clarity to you guys to understand. Vridi finance has nothing to do with any company yet, right now, at least we can say. It's just predictions, number one. Number two, it's a statistic or chart analysis which we gives you. It's nothing. Chart analysis is based on whatever we think, okay, their growth path. Otherwise, nothing. We don't know exactly electrical vehicles will do really good business in the future, or solar based products will do really good products. Means solar based products will really do good business in the future, or the vehicles which is based on a old theory of oil, means petroleum and diesel, will do much better. What will speed up your life? We can't think. Or probably Tesla comes to India and people may have a craze about cryptocurrency to get a ride or get a free Tesla car to buying from cryptocurrency. In exchange of cryptocurrency, probably you will get a Tesla car. Don't think too much. It's all about just hoping and predictions. So it's all about that. Okay, it's nothing to do with anything. So don't trust blindly to us. If you like our stat, then only statistic, then only you can trust us. We are not telling you just come and subscribe us. We are telling you, if you like our statistic, might it not fail, but as we seen right now, the last year, whatever the chart analysis we gives, that's literally fail. At least 40% it has been failed, because the way we have initially, we do not have experience how to predict it, what are the factors are there, and how it will be the hitting to the market, or what will happen. Initially we are blind. Yes, some of our experience really help you, that some of our statistics really well done. For example, over here we can say Kalyan Jewelers. If you see, every half an hour you may see the advertisement of Kalyan Jewelers. Gold business is always on the high as people think. But have you seen this share has really shown uptrend? No. Till now it is showing only below the IPO pricing, isn't it? So that's the reason we are, whatever we have given statistic about Kalyan Jewelers at the initial day was really fail. It is totally fail. Why? Because we don't understand that time what is a market valuation, what exactly they do, and absolutely how that is falling, and what are the ways they are recovering. So Kalyan Jewelers, if you wanted to exit from the shares, do you really wanted to exit from the loss end, or do you want to make a profit? Today or the last year, even if you see the gold prices and comparing it with that, do you think Kalyan Jewelers shares should show the negate below the IPO pricing as you expected from that company? Just comment into the comment box so you will know it, what exactly you wanted from the market and how it is really working against your wish. or within your wish. There are a number of companies which is from agri products comes to the market, like fertilizer, like chemical products base, or life science based products. So this kind of companies has really did it in well. Why? Even if you see, if you compare the gold price versus food price, like life science based products, which is a really costly, probably gold do the more in multi crores of business as comparing as doing the small company. But small company really given good returns to their investors, and the gold business is not giving returns that much what as an investor you are expecting. Is it really happening last year? No. If you check, go and check how many gold based business has really show you positivity in their shares. We are talking about shares, not about the products, okay? And if you see, there are a number of times there they are working more and more, but it is not, they are showing their balance sheet as a profitable, but the shares is still working under margin. So anyways, we are say thank you by Vridi Finance. We make this special video to tell you, don't blindly think that we will always succeed. Might be we will fail also. Okay, our prediction may fluctuate, it can goes down, it can goes up, depending on that. Okay, so hopefully these predictions about Greaves Cotton Limited will comes true, and we will launch our another video hopefully next year. So till the time, have a great day. Bye bye, good night, sweet dream. Bye bye.